the complete AI marketing stack for solopreneurs. You are a solopreneur. You wear 10 hats. Marketing is at least 3 of them. You do not have a team and you do not have time. But you do have AI. Stack the right tools and one person can run an entire marketing department. Here are the 6 layers of the stack. Pick what you need. Skip what you do not. Layer 1. Research. The foundation everyone skips. Use Claude or Perplexity to research your audience, your competitors, and your market in one afternoon. Ask it to summarize trends, pull pain points from reviews, and surface gaps your competitors are missing. Drop in your industry. Ask for the top 10 questions buyers actually have. That is your content calendar. Layer 2. Content, where most solopreneurs burn out. Claude is your writer. Drop in your brand, your tone, and your audience. It writes blog posts, captions, email sequences, and ad copy in your voice every single time. Ask for 30 hooks tied to your product, then 30 captions, then a full month of newsletter outlines. One afternoon. Layer 3. Visuals. Look professional without hiring a designer. Canva Magic Studio handles your social posts, carousels, ads, and email banners, all on brand. Midjourney handles your hero shots and brand imagery. Type a prompt. Canva builds the whole carousel in your colors. Midjourney drops a campaign hero shot. Designer not required. Layer 4. Video, where the algorithm actually rewards you. Opus Clip turns one long-form video into 10 viral shorts. Captioned, vertical, ranked by virality. Descript edits like a doc and removes filler words automatically. Record 1 20-minute episode. 2 hours later, you have 10 shorts ready to post on every platform. Layer 5. Distribution. Get it out everywhere without copy-paste. Buffer schedules across every platform. Beehiiv handles your newsletter. Zapier or make wires it all together so one button posts everywhere at once. Build one zap. New blog post triggers a tweet thread, an Instagram carousel, a LinkedIn post, and a newsletter blast. All native to each platform. Layer 6. Optimize. The part that compounds your stack into real revenue. June and plausible handle analytics with a built-in AI explainer. They tell you in plain English what is working and what is not every single Friday. Pipe your weekly report into Claude. Ask what to do more of and what to kill. Then build it into next week's calendar. Research with Claude. Write with Claude. Design with Canva. Cut video with Opus. Distribute with Buffer and Zapier. Optimize with June. 6 layers. 1 person. Subscribe for a new AI playbook every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Real tools. Real results. No PhD required.